What's up everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope everybody had a great weekend. So today is Monday and I have a lot of stuff to do. So pretty much what I have to do today is clean out some screens because most of my screens are already dirty with paint. I have to clean that up. I want to make a shirt with Kobe and Gigi. So I'm going to be working on that design today, exposing it, put it on the screen, put it on a shirt. I'm going to pick up some more shirts for the same softball team. Last time I made the softball teams for the youth, for the actual players, and today I'm going to be making them for the adults. So I have to go pick those up. I have to pick up some gold, some purple, some black, and some white shirts like the one I have on. Obviously they're going to be blanks. In order to do that though, like I said, I don't have any screens, so I have to do the boring part of cleaning out the screens, but hey, it's part of the process. So let's get this day started. These tortillas are amazing. They come from TJ. You just leave them in the refrigerator. They're handmade, so they're already like pre-cooked a little bit, and they're very buttery. They taste amazing. Thank you, Becky. After I'm done with my meal here, I'm going to continue cleaning the screens, go pick up some shirts, and continue that Kobe Bryant design. So here's the screens. The mesh count matters. Each screen has like a certain mesh count. This one's 160. The higher the mesh count, the more detailed you could get. All of these are 160 except for this yellow one. This is a 250. So what I plan on, I cleaned this one out because I want to do a very detailed design. The first step to screen printing is putting the emulsion on these screens. The emulsion that I'm gonna use is here. I'm using the Ryonet WBP hybrid emulsion. You have to be in a pretty dark room. I'm in my garage and there's light that comes in, so it does work. I haven't had any issues yet, but it is recommended to be in a completely dark room. So I'm going to put the emulsion right now on all 4 screens. get them all prepped and ready, let them dry in here, cover it up with the blanket. No light could touch them, so covering them up with the blanket would do the trick. Once I come back from picking up the shirts, I'm gonna spend some time playing some handball. So I put the emoji already on the screens. They're in here. I'm gonna let them dry. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go pick up the shirts, go play some handball. We'll continue with the design tomorrow morning. Just picked up all the shirts. Time to go play some handball. What's up, guys? So it's the next day. So today I'm going to be burning the screen for Kobe's shirt that I want to make. And I'm also going to get a haircut right now. My barber's on his way. Look at this. Yep, so after I get my haircut, I'll continue with the process. I'll print out the film. And then after I print out the film, I'll burn the screen. After we burn the screen, we'll do a test print. And then we'll go ahead and start the shirt. Got finished with my haircut. Thank you, Ricky. So now time to burn the screen. So I have the film already. Let me show you guys. So we have the film printed out. I'm gonna let this dry a little bit. Make sure no ink is still watery. Make sure it dried completely. And then after that, I'll burn the screen. And then we'll do a test print and start printing out the shirts. Nope, I'm gonna have to reburn the screen. So as you can see, it is coming out pretty good, but look at this part right here. I used to have a different design on the screen, and it seems like it ghosted onto this one. So also some detail did not come out. The hands are not there. The arm didn't come out as nice. So I'm going to get another screen and reburn it, and hopefully we get better luck. So I like how it looks, but actually no, look at the neck. The neck did not come out good, and also here there's this line. What's up, guys? So I'm done for the day. I haven't had any success with the Kobe screens. I'm getting closer and closer, but I don't know what's happening. I'm either exposing the screen too long or too short, and it's not coming out exactly how I want it. So I tried 4 or 5 screens today, and I was not happy with any of them. I do have to start the softball order tomorrow. I'm gonna leave it there for the Kobe design until I finish the order for the softball team. I already made the screen for the softball team. These are easy to make because it's just it's not a halftone. Halftone is when it's a lot of little dots. This is just one whole design. It's not any two-tone or anything like that. So I already have the screen ready to go. I'll start making them tomorrow. I'll get that order done, and then after that I'll get back to working on the Kobe design. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, and subscribe. You guys have a great day. Later.